Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how to like a profile in Free Fire. If you want to show appreciations to your teammates, friends or top players by liking their profile, here is how to do it. Open up the Free Fire app on your mobile device and log in if necessary. Once you're in the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the Friends tab at the top right corner. Now from your friend list, select one of the friend whose profile you'd like to like. You can also open up the player's profile from the recent players list. After you select open one of the player's profile, you can tap on the profile button and then go to the top right corner and tap on the thumbs up. After you do that, you will be able to send a like to that player. You've just liked a profile in Free Fire. It is a great way to support players you admire or to appreciate your teammates after a good match. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.